Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from Cinema Express. I hope you're all doing well.
Yes, we are. Thank you. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, self Mauname Parvayana, it's coming. When you got this script, how was it for you to எப்படி நீங்க வந்து in the scriptல in the soft like mellow romance, like not romance exactly, but a couple middle-aged couple role, like were you okay with it and what was your first thought like?
I was very okay because I'm very much middle-aged, so that was not a concern at all. I think initially when Madhu came up with this script, sonanga that she would like if I could play this role, and she was looking for a middle-aged person, so she thought I fit the character. And then I read the script and I said, absolutely. And I really liked it. And after that, she basically said, she said she's going to treat it a bit differently. And so that also kind of, got me excited. And then I was asking, who are you expecting to play the husband's character? Because the husband and wife and the padam murisa irukku. So she said, we have Jojo George in mind, and that's how we would really like to cast. And I said, perfect. And so Apadida now, and I'm really glad I could do it because it was lovely working with Madhumita.
Just as you said, middle-aged was my next question. Do you find it like I have to be younger than I am, or under pressure?
No, I've always accepted the fact that I'm aging. We all are aging, but I think unfortunately the men in our industry never age. It's only the women who are aging. So I accept that. So I just go with the time. And in fact, I think Idada for us ladies, like say from 40 onwards, is the most beautiful time of our life because we've almost done with our major responsibilities, whether it's of a wife, whether it's of a mother. You've done all the major bit of it. And this is the time when you like to do things for yourself. Mm-hmm. And I feel extremely blessed that I've had the opportunity and I've had a family who has been extremely encouraging. And to top it all, an audience who still remember me and still love to see me on the screen. And what else can I ask for? So I think it is, so I definitely don't deny my age. In fact, even if people, kindly enough compliment me, I always say, so I know what my age is. I know what I feel. As long as I can hide it, kind of, I'm happy.
Okay. Speaking of age, I have a question for Jojo sir. இன்னைக்கு காலையில ட்ரெய்லர் லான்ச்ல சொல்லிருந்தீங்க that Nadia ma'am உங்களோட college dream girl. So what was it like to act with her? And also usually women கிட்ட தான் இந்த கேள்வி வரும். You're so young, you're acting with a very old star அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, but the age difference between you and Nadia ma'am is quite a much. So அது எப்படி இருந்தது, that experience? How was it?
Dream girl is dream girl. That's not. So என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I'm just 22. I'm just 22. அங்க அந்த
சொன்னேன் மேல் ஆக்டர்ஸ் வயசே ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
இல்ல biologically I am 44.
Okay.
But I think that I am 22.
Good.
If anybody can think I am 50, 55, no, it doesn't matter. And it's very சொல்றது நான் கூட நடிக்க முடிஞ்சது என்னோட ஒரு லக். ஆனா நான் பிலிமே பத்தி தான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்குது எப்பவுமே. அந்த நாள்ல பார்த்தா சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் கூட இந்த நடிக்க முடியுதுன்னு என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் அந்த பார்வையில அது நல்லா இருக்குல்ல.
Of course.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Okay. My next question is to all three of you. Like, இது ஒரு pandemic film. So as how much evlo personal connect irukku ungala characters kita, like for Nadia ma'am and Jojo sir, like unga rendu perukkum personal life la irundhu evlo you took inspiration or connect illaya? How was that? And for Arjun, did you grapple with loneliness? How much of it did it come on screen?
Arjun.
Priyanka, for me, actually, I think when Halita told me the story, she had taken it from, incidents that she had heard, or something that had happened with her friend. So it was very easily relatable for me. Of course, yes, there have been people who have not been very fortunate, but I was fortunate enough to be at the comfort of my home during this pandemic. But it was very relatable for me when I heard the story, because I also have friends, and they had their stories. So, like I said, with Harita, the good thing is it's always very real. She keeps it very, very real. So it was very relatable. But yeah, if you were to ask me, it was more of, because the movie involves a lot of Zoom and video calls. I think that was very relatable, because that's what the entire world was doing with the pandemic. And of course, I didn't connect with anyone over the lockdown other than my friends and family. But this is, connecting with a total stranger, absolute stranger. So that was very new. But otherwise, I think, like I said, it was very, very real, and she'd written it beautifully. So it was, like I said, I was just following whatever she asked me to do in the movie.
No, I think basically the film, Mauname Parvayai, for us, it focuses on love. It focuses on all human emotions. But I think Madhumita has focused mainly on communication, or the lack of it, which I think is very, very important in any relationship. It's about a husband and wife, and their egos or their idiosyncrasies. I think that's what she's mainly played upon. And I'm sure there will be couples, who can relate to it, when they have a slight argument or when they have a tiff, as to how either or react, who gives in first, all those kind of things. So I'm sure there'll be many couples who can relate to this. Just husband and wife chemistry and whatever you want to call it. So I think it's pretty much relatable, and I'm sure it's all the stories, whether it is Arjun's film or any other directors' films that are there on the anthology. I'm sure they will strike a chord with the audiences across the board, one way or the other.
Personal life and the script வந்து ரொம்ப தெளிவா சொல்லியிருக்கு. இந்த கேரக்டர் எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த ஷார்ட் டைம்ல அவ்வளவு டீட்டெயிலா மது எழுதியிருக்கு. அதை விட அது டைரக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. நம்மளால அது என்ன சொல்றது, இந்த ஈஸியா பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. அவ்வளவு ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் அவருக்கு இருக்குதுனால. ரெண்டு படமே வந்து டைரக்ட் பண்ணது இஸ் a woman. So யூசுவலா நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா மேல் கேஸ் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கு. Like how male filmmakers look at love or relationship is different. So ரெண்டு படமுமே வந்து female directors ஆல பண்ண படம். So is there a difference as actors? உங்களுக்கு அந்த டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியுதா கேஸ்ல? Are they treating the relationship differently? வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா? How is it for you? The Madhumita experience was she no direction, so there is no difference between female or female. அவர் வந்து டைரக்டர், அப்போ அந்த அளவுக்கு அவருக்கு அந்த ஒர்க் தெரியும். இப்போ ஃபீமேல் ஆனதுனால ஒர்க் தெரிஞ்சதுனால எதுவும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஒர்க் தெரியலன்னா நம்ம மென்ஷன் ஃபீமேல் ஆனாலும் மெயில் ஆனாலும் பிரச்சனை தான். ஃபீமேல் பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் அந்த படத்துல இருக்கனால அது தெளிவா இருக்கு. அது நல்ல அது மட்டும் இல்ல, இந்த மது வந்து எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் டைரக்டர். என்ன நான் நிறைய ஒர்க் பண்ண படங்கள்ல வச்சு இவருக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், என்ன வேணும், எல்லாமே தெளிவா இருக்குது. அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்மள எல்லாமே வந்து இப்போ நான் வந்து ஏதாவது டவுட் கேட்கும் போதெல்லாம் அவ்வளோ கரெக்டா சொல்லி இருக்கும். எல்லாமே ஷார்ட் வைஸ், எடிட் வைஸ், everything. So அந்த மாதிரி தெளிவா இருந்த ஒரு டைரக்டர் இருக்கனால அந்த வர்க் வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸி பண்றது.
No, exactly the same. I was hoping that Jojo would say the same answer, because others would have been quite contradictory. Typical how to write in the film, but otherwise I think he's actually absolutely bang on with that, because I think a woman's perspective does bring in a bit of a change to a relationship, because we're seeing it from the woman's point of view as well. So that definitely is what brings a different nuance to the relationship. But otherwise, as a director, it doesn't really matter whether it's a man or a woman. technically, I mean, they do the same thing. So, so I think there is no difference at all.
Of course.
Madhu, as Jojo said, she had solid clarity. She knew exactly what she was doing. There was no room for what if. There was no room. She
Okay.
knew what had to be done.
Mhm.
So there was no confusion in the actors as well. Even if we had questions, so Madhu, what if we do this? You think that's going to work? She said no. I mean, there would be an answer. No, I don't think that'll work. This is what I wanted to come out like. So she didn't leave us confused because she was very clear about what she wanted.
Mhm. Nice.
Alle Jojo.
Yes.
What was your experience like?
Priyanka, I don't have the experience to say. I don't see the difference between a male director and a female director. To be very honest, they're just a director. But I haven't done too many stories to, like a romantic story or something
Story.
lighthearted for me to say, how a male director or a female director would direct it. But I approach it as a movie, and here is a director I want to work with, and here is a story that she wanted me to be a part of. So I just wanted to give it my all, and I was just happy and glad that Halita thought I could be her Dhiran. So that's the name of the character, by the way. So yeah, so for me, it was just like working with any other director that I've worked with in this little time that I have. It was a wonderful experience, though, working with Halita as well as with Lijo and a dude who's there in the movie, which is my pet dog. So, and an amazing team that we had.
Okay, that brings me to my next question for you, actually. This is, I think, probably the first time where we'll be seeing you concho in a light-hearted role, like, with a smile on your face, actually.
Yeah.
So, எப்படி இருக்கு? Are you going to be doing more like this? Are you looking forward to it, or was it just an off-shot chance that this happened to you?
No, see, I really haven't planned something like that, Priyanka, to be very honest, because like I said, I'm still learning. When I listen to a story, if I just feel like, okay, this is something that I'm very excited about, and this is a director whom I'm very excited about working with, I go with it. But like I said, I'm very happy that Halita saw me as a person who can also smile and not be angry and intense, but probably play a different character, a different shade that people haven't seen me as before. I was just happy to be a part of it. It was a wonderful story. It is a wonderful story. So I'm just glad that I could be a part of it. And I'm hoping maybe once the movie is out and people see this and the audience sees it and they like this shade, then maybe I'm hoping directors come to me with these kind of characters, and I'll be happy to be a part of it. Why not?
Also about your pet dog, how was it like to? I feel like the dog is like an important character. At least trailer lenda and the
No, he's a very, very important character.
Right.
Yeah.
So how was it like to act with an animal like that in that zone? Like usually we see dogs do tricks, but it becomes different when there's an emotional bond. So
trust me, Priyanka, it was so I love pets. I have a cat and a dog myself. So I was really looking forward to that. And Roger is his real name. The movie is called Dude. He is an amazing artist in terms of focus mark, in terms of the position, the reaction that you want, everything. It was lovely working with him. And he'd come with his team, his trainer and his team, and it was a wonderful experience. It's I think he plays a very important part, like I said, a very important character in the story that you'll realize once you watch the movie. But it was a wonderful experience. I think it was it was very exciting to go to shoot and spend time with him, and he used to run around between the set and all that. So it was fun. It was really nice.
Nadia ma'am, I have a question for you. It's about how over the years, like, do you think OTT, this is your OTT debut also?
Yes.
So I want to ask you, like, do you think OTT gives space to tell more inclusive stories? Like maybe the story that you're working on right now, if or a big screen, it would have taken a long time to make. But do you think because OTT is there, that there's a lot more chance to explore such inclusive stories?
Absolutely. And I think there is definitely more, at least from what I see from all the Western web series or whatever, from Hollywood that we see, or even from, UK, whatever the BBC ones, the series they have, there's so much written for women around my age, and I think that's fabulous because it's funny because we always show, mostly in our, where we talk about television, we show a young girl looking old, but you never take a woman who looks her part, and I just never understood that. So I think at least OTT gives you that platform to play who you are, or the things that probably coincide with your life and with middle-aged man or woman. And I think making a film of this genre would have probably taken longer, definitely. We work on a different budget when you're working for something on an OTT, versus something that you're working on a film. And but I think with this particular story, I think the length of the film is right. Anything more or anything less, I think probably wouldn't have worked as well unless it's written differently. But as of now, I think it fits really well with that. And OTT does open up. It's a platform that opens up for many actors, many promising actors. And I'm it surprises me every time I see something and I'm, wow, who is this actor? And wow, what a performance. And, where did they find her, or where did they find him, So it's amazing to see talent, and it only helps us to do better because, you just see such good work, whether it's director, whether it's script writers. I think we've grown by, I don't know, by miles, by leaps. So it's very, very, very refreshing to see that.
OTT space தான் எனக்கு ஒரு வைடா ஒரு ரீச் வந்திருக்கு. எனக்கு நான் பண்ண எல்லாம் நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துருக்கு. ஆனா பர்சனலா எனக்கு தியேட்டர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தான் பிடிக்கும். அங்க போறதா தான் எனக்கு பிடிக்கும். நான் as an artist, I'm getting good opportunities just because of OTT platforms. So கண்டிப்பா அது இருக்கும். தியேட்டர் வேணும், அதுதான்.
இப்ப நீங்க வந்து நிறைய இன்டென்ஸா எக்ஸ்ப்ளோசிவான ரோல்ஸ் பண்றீங்க, அண்ட் தென் தேர் இஸ் மதுரம், அண்ட் தென் இப்போ மௌனமே பார்வையாய். சோ எப்படி, ஹவ் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் டு பிளே லைக் சச் டிஃபரண்ட் ஷேட்ஸ் ஒரு கேரக்டர்ல? ஹவ் இஸ் இட் பீன் ஃபார் யூ?
ஆக்சுவலி இது எல்லாமே ஒரு டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் டைரக்டர்ஸ். How they describe about the character, then I am just following them. அவ்வளவுதான். It goes to directors.
ஓகே, இந்த படத்தினால எனக்கு இது கிடைச்சதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு எதனா இருக்கா? நீங்க பண்ண படத்துல முன்பே
எல்லா படமும் பெரிய விஷயம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டயலாக்ல இருந்து சொன்ன படம் 90ல தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டயலாக் சொன்னேன். அந்த படம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் சொன்னால நெக்ஸ்ட் படத்துல ஒரு டயலாக் கூட கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இப்போ எப்பவுமே இந்த ப்ரோக்ரெசிவா போயிட்டு இருக்குது. எல்லா படமும் வெரி ப்ரெஷியஸ் டு மீ.
Arjun, coming back to you, what is your experience with filming without another character in the frame? Like I was very curious, like most of the thing, as you said, Zoom and over the phone video calls and the madri irukumbodhu,
it was very difficult, Priyanka, to be very honest. It was very very difficult because when I heard the story, I thought I will be able to see someone or somebody on that phone or the laptop, but it was an empty screen. And there was no one to give me the dialogue. So Halita used to say the lines, like Lijo's lines, from somewhere away, and I had to respond looking at the camera. Like now it's easy for me to have a conversation with you because I'm looking at you, or I can look at Nadia ma'am and Joju sir. But we have multiple people in one frame, and there's no one there actually. They'll be there in the post-production, but at that point there was no one. So she would just say, look right, look left, and you also have to perform. So I'm really hoping that I've not goofed up, but Halita said, okay, so I will just go with what she said. And I think I really, really troubled her because I think I do it with every director of mine. I go back to them and say, short, okay, ma'am, are you sure you got what you wanted? Are you 100% sure we can do it again? So it was really difficult because, there are a lot of dialogues where I'm smiling, and whatever you saw in the trailer, it's an empty phone. I'm basically talking to an empty phone on the blank screen. It was really difficult for me. This was the first time. So I'm hoping this is a good learning for movies that I'm a part of in the future where there's something similar.
Nadia ma'am, like ungaloda character immersed irukumbodhu in the 3 days finishing, how was that different from, going schedule by schedule, getting out of the
fabulous.
character and getting...
I always like when a film is, you know, when it's so tight, because you're so much in your character and there's nothing that distracts you. So I always like, you know, அந்த டைட் டைம்ல வந்து நம்மளால அந்த கேரக்டர் அந்த படம் பண்ண முடிச்சுன்னா அதுதான் எனக்கு எப்பவுமே பிடிக்கும். அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் டு பி அவே ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் வெரி லாங், பட் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடியும்னா than having many schedules, it keeps you in your character far more. And everybody is in sync, you know, everybody is in sync then.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much for taking time out and talking to me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful release. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so much
Priyanka.
for your-
Wishing
you.
you
Thank
and
you.
your family a happy new year.
Happy New Year to you too.